snow day can be fun, cleaning up after it, not always the case. And for elderly or at-risk people, sometimes that can be difficult, which is why the Youth Service Corps was out on Sunday helping them out. And working alongside them was the mayor of Hartford himself.
These kids are amazing. They shovel a number of driveways for folks who are elderly and can't get out. One of the greatest things about the city of Hartford is the way in which we all kind of chip in to help each other and work together as a community, and I think this is one of the best examples of that.
When the snow descends on Hartford, they are here to help their neighbors. On Sunday, volunteers trekked across the city of Hartford to assist the members of the Youth Service Corps, as they helped add a personal touch to their snow removal program for seniors and disabled neighbors.
There's usually a number of folks who will come out of their houses and are just really excited to see the Youth Service Corps in their community.
But this was only part of the work done overall. Overnight, 30 trucks cleared the streets in Hartford, while a combined 750 vehicles from contractors and the state's Department of Transportation finished what remained on the highways. Josh Morgan, a spokesperson for Connecticut's DOT, tells Fox 61 while roads should be clear for now, the coming week is still on their radar.
So we're going to have crews out basically every day or every other day, it looks like, from the forecast. So we'll get our folks some good rest, let them enjoy the game, and we'll be back to work on Monday.
In total, the Youth Service Corps serviced around 50 homes all across Hartford. And if you'd like to learn more about the program, we have details waiting for you at fox61.com. But for now, in Hartford, Stephen Reels, Fox 61.